In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Google Meet from Gmail. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon to open the settings panel. Inside the quick settings panel, find the section labeled Apps in Gmail and click Customize. A window will appear showing the apps that can be enabled inside Gmail. From this list, check the box for Google Meet, so the Meet feature becomes available directly in your Gmail interface. After selecting Google Meet, click Done. If Gmail asks you to reload the page, choose Reload so the new settings can take effect. Once the page refreshes, look at the left side of your Gmail interface. You will now see the Meet tab in the left sidebar. Click the Meet tab and wait for it to load. This section allows you to start or join meetings directly without leaving Gmail. Next, click the Meet icon in the far left vertical app bar. This will open the Google Meet interface. From here, click the New Meeting button to create a new meeting session. After clicking New Meeting, you'll see options for sharing your meeting. Gmail will generate a meeting link that you can send to the people you want to meet with. You can simply copy the meeting link and share it with others so they can join your meeting. If you want to share the meeting link quickly, you can click the Copy Clipboard icon. You can also click Send Invite if you want Gmail to send the invitation directly. For this example, we'll leave the link as it is and continue with starting the meeting. Now click Start Now to launch the meeting immediately. Your browser may display prompts asking for permission to use your camera and microphone. If that appears, click Allow so you can use video and audio during the meeting. Wait for the meeting interface to load. Once everything is ready, you'll enter the meeting room and your Google Meet session will be active. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.